Hey, what's up? Ken from Palm Beach Dyno here. I'm headed back to the track with the GT500. Not a whole lot of changes since you saw it go 952 in the last video, but I'm headed to Bradenton Motorsports Park this time, which is a little further north. Plus, we have some cooler weather here in Florida. Not quite as cool as it was yesterday. Yesterday it was like in the 40s and 50s even in South Florida, which would have been great, but unfortunately it's warming up a little bit today. We're hoping for low 60s at Bradenton. The other nice thing is the air is really dry, pressure's high, so you know it should be pretty good. I did make one change already to the vehicle since last time. I went ahead and put my Whipple intercooler back on. We didn't have that on the last trip to the track because I damaged one of the O-rings when I was working on the vehicle, so I had to go back to the stock. So anyway, we've got that on, and I brought a smaller pulley with me, 2.27. I had considered putting the intercooler ice tank on the car for this one, but considering the weather's going to be a little nicer, I kind of wanted to see what the best I could do with no intercooler tank, and then we'll throw that on in the fuel system and switch back over to E85. Right now we're on MS 109. So anyway, let's get to the track, get unloaded, and make a hit. Alright, here we go, pulling into the burnout box. Alright, here we go, guys. That felt good. We're at a rental, so I don't know what it ran. I'll have to get all the way back up to the front to see. Whew. First pass is always a little bit you know, nerve-wracking, but man, that felt great. I don't even want to guess. Hopefully a new best, that's all I gotta say. All right, I just got the time slip. 9:43 at 1:47. I don't think the 1:47 is accurate. Kelly Aiken's here with his Whipple S550 and his car trapped about 5 mph low in the same lane. I'll try it in the other lane next. They're doing slick prep in the right lane and radio in the left lane, but on this car, but that probably doesn't matter. 153 60 foot, that's one of my best, if not the best. 618 at 121 in the 8th mile. That's definitely one of the best 8th miles out there, I'd say. So let's see, what are we gonna do? Time to change the pulley.
faster, but I don't know that a 1/10 of a second will. Let's find out. Clutch said no likey.
What?
Went in a default on the clutch. I'm gonna let it cool off.
Okay.
All right, I went over the data log there. The change that I made to the tune actually did work. We saw a little bit more power down low, but it put it into clutch over temp. So I'm gonna make some more changes here, and hopefully we can find a nice happy medium to where the clutch is happy and I can go a little quicker.
A few moments later.
All right, I forgot to turn the video on, but it did the same thing, getting clutch over temp. Now, this is because we figured out a way to get more power in first gear, thanks to my buddy Jerry, who's here helping me video. He also happens to be the guy who taught me everything I know about tuning. And in 5 minutes, he made a big impact on this car. So, we're gonna make some other changes to hopefully get around this issue, but it's launching really hard. So we might have gotten to the point where the aftermarket clutches are going to be useful. All right, here we go. Last pass of the day, I think. I don't know what the 60 foot was. I think Kelly grabbed it, but he didn't message it to me. It was way faster.
Farther down the track?
Yeah, like the 60 to 130 time I was telling you about. That
what?
measures the time from 60 to 130.
Yeah.
On the draggy, it picked up a 1/10 almost. That's a lot.
Okay.
So I think my trap speed was high, but I don't think I went 930s.
It looked good from where I stood. But,
It just felt a little lazy. It's possible, but
What did the draggy you say it ran for ET?
where the heck is the time? Here it is. 941. That's not always super accurate though. Did I not record it? You gotta be kidding me. I didn't record it. This is the last one. So.
around the times you want it?
I think I trapped that time really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got a 440, 60 to 130. I don't know if you did dragging or not.
Yeah, I did the dragging.
Yeah, it's a 440.
Well, how you blew out, you're like, damn, you going like 20 something miles an hour faster than I was. I'm like, holy shit.
I didn't see myself.
Yeah, but I just split it.
My buddy's supposed to grab it.
Hopefully he got it. I saw he ran up there.
My draggy said I went 941.
41?
I'm hoping it's wrong.
Yeah, no, sometimes the dragging's like, no, sometimes it is. Sometimes it's 30. My buddy said, what's his name? What's your buddy's name? Kelly. He said he heard it say 930s.
930s?
Yeah.
930s?
Yeah.
930s?
Yeah. So
Maybe?
yeah, no, he said it. He's like, he said 930s. What mine out?
I don't know. I don't even
What
know.
the dragging? What did the dragging say?
I don't know.
All right, I got the time slip, new best, what I was shooting for, 937 at 150.28. It bogged a little bit more. I went back in the other direction than I wanted to, so 156, 60 foot, 615 at 121. It went 123 earlier. So I think we still got a lot more to go. All this fine tuning is paying off, and every time I go to the track, it gets quicker. So I guess it's time to go back to the track. Good thing I'm in South Florida. Winter is our season. So we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. Take what we learned and head back to the track probably next week. So make sure you watch the channel for that one. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and we'll see you on the next one.